Yeah.
Yeah.
Shake it down low.
On the spot. Yeah. Let's do this on the spot. Let's go. My name is Tash.
My name is Billy.
We come with.
Socks, and we like to be silly.
We like cocoa.
And we like to eat snow.
We like pepper and soya sauce, bro.
We like to be aliens, chipmunks, and frogs.
We like to sing with our bongs in the fongs.
We like to eat plants, and we like to eat snails. We like to do things that would drive you off the rails.
We like shoes with the booze, and we like them
Watery nose.
and we like them boys with the.
Zac Efron boobs.
We like to sing in the shower with.
We like to spit Vegemite onto the ground.
We like to eat peanut butter in soup spoons.
We like to do really swag dance moves.
We also like to bring smoothies to the basketball stadium.
Yeah, Tash smashed it.
In that game
Yeah.
with our booze, Zac Efron boobs. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Here's how we do it.
We like to bring Zac Efron's
Boobies.
boobies